So this is how you play chamutengure on the Nyunga Nyunga Mbira. For now, we'll only be using our thumbs, alternating like right, left, right, left, right, left. And we'll divide the cycle into 4 sections, and these are the notes we play in the first section. And for the second section, you only play these 2. For the third section, we repeat the same thing we did in section 1. Then for the fourth section, you play these 2. And all together, it will sound like this. And in part 3, we're gonna add the big brother.